Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to add and delete videos in the gallery in the Edits Instagram app. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. First, let's go to the gallery. Click the plus sign in the lower right corner and the gallery is open. Videos and photos are stored here that we can use to create reels. To add a video to the gallery, click the Manage button, select More Photos, and in this menu select the video or photo that we want to add to the gallery, and then click Done. The video files have been added to the gallery and we can use them in our projects. And to delete videos or photos from this gallery, for example, you need to clean the gallery of unnecessary files. We do everything in reverse order. Click Manage, select More Photos, and tap on those videos or photos that we selected earlier. Click Done and the video disappears from the gallery. And that's it. Now we know a little more.